डेंग्यूची दुयेंती वाढत असताना युवा काँग्रेसीच्या पदाधिकाऱ्यांनी दक्षिण गोंय जिल्हा हॉस्पिटलाक भेट दिवन दुयेंतींची सुविधा आणि हॉस्पिटलांतले परिस्थितीचो नियाळ घेतलो। ह्या भेटी उपरांत खाटीचे उणाव आशिल्ल्याचे सांगून कांय दुयेंतींचे स्ट्रेचराचेर आणि जमनीचेर लेगीत उपचार सुरू आसात असो आरोप तांणी केलो। तांणी मुख्यमंत्री आणि हेल्थ मिनिस्टराक हस्तक्षेप करून व्यवस्था सुधारपाची मागणी केल्या। हॉस्पिटलाचे अधीक्षक राजेंद्र बोरकर हांणी सांगले की सध्या उपलब्ध आशिल्ले सगळे खाटे भरिल्ले आसा, पूण हॉस्पिटल दुयेंतींचेर उपचार करीत आसा आणि उणावाक लागून कोणाकूच फाटीं काडूंक ना। तशेंच राजकीय पक्षांनी हॉस्पिटलाक तेंको दिवचो आणि भलायकी सुविधा सुदारपा खातीर अधिकाऱ्यांनी सहकार्य करचें अशें आवाहन बोरकर हांणी केलां।
GPYC स्टेट जनरल सेक्रेटरी, सो म्हाका फकत रिपीट करपाक कितें म्हणलें तें आनी कांय चड सांगपाचें ना। एराजान म्हणलां इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इश्यूज आनी प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर दॅन क्युअर, वीच इज वेरी ट्रू। आनी कॅनिशानूय म्हणलां करंट स्टेट कितें आहा तो ताणें शी हॅज स्ट्रेस्ड वेरी मच ऑन इट। सो एकूच सांगपाक सोदता टू विश्वजीत राणे, हू इज द हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, दॅट मातशें सिरियसली हे इश्यूज आमी तुमकां आयकोंक ना खंय घेताय ते, मातशें सिरियसली मातशे इश्यूजाचेर स्ट्रेस कराय। हे नंबर्स आतां पावसाच्या टायमार जायते फिशींग इंडस्ट्रीज जायनाय, जायते कामां, जायते कन्स्ट्रक्शनाचे हें ना, सो खूब जाणां अजून येवपाचे उरले। ते येयले म्हणटरी इन्फ्लक्स जाला म्हणटरी वर्करांचो आनीक लोड पडटलो। आमी नकय आमी केपेबल आहाय जाल्यार मातशें ते पळयाय, केपेबल आहाय जाल्यार आमी मातशें एटलिस्ट वील ट्राय टू डू समथींग फॉर द पीपल हियर। इतले दीस कितें जाता तें फकत पर्सनल गेन जाता अशें दिसता लोकांक। मातशें कितें तरी बरेंपण करया फॉर द सोशल गूड, आनी इतलेंच सांगून हांव थँक्यू।
गोवा प्रदेश यूथ काँग्रेस आमी हांगा रियलिटी चॅक करपाक आयिल्ले ऑफ साऊथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल with regards to rise in the cases of dengue. So न्यूजाचे माध्यमांतल्यान आमकां कळिल्लें आनी आमकां खूब कॉल्सूय आयिल्ले that cases of dengue have increased manifold, to the fact कि around 79 cases have been reported from 1st to 10th of August, and prior to that July 91 cases in 30 days आशिल्ले, and in June it was 38 cases, and in May it was 9 cases. So from 9 to 38, from 38 to 91, and from 91 to 78 cases only in 10 days has raised serious questions. So when serious questions are raised and we have eyebrows on the health department, we see that the government is not serious. With such an emergency, the health minister, the CM had to address this issue, because there are two aspects. Whenever there's an emergency, whenever there's a health emergency, there are two aspects. One is the prevention and cure. Prevention is always better than the cure, but the government was not serious during the prevention, and neither are they serious during the cure. Prevention, because there was no awareness. Even if there was an awareness, that was hardly for a few days. Neither was the government serious, because if you go to see posters, banners, whenever their leaders come, there are posters, banners out, but whenever such health emergency comes up, their CM, their karyakartas, BJYM can go out with black flags when our ministers come out, our leaders come out, but when there's a health emergency, no one is to be seen. So neither was the prevention done, neither there is a cure done. There's no cure, because right now we came for an inspection. We saw that more than 15-20 in the male ward, more than 20 people in the female ward are without even beds. Basic bedaची facility तेंचे कडेन ना. ते फुटपाथ आसा पळय ते हेजो थंय ते न्हिदला, आनी तांकां see, health professionals can do how much they can put their efforts, but if the government is not supporting them with beds, what will they do? We salute them for whatever they are doing. Even after such bad state by the government, they are still putting their 100%, and they are ensuring that basic treatment is provided to them even if they are on the floor. But it is the government's responsibility to at least provide beds. Other beds na, then there will be no treatment. If there is no treatment, the cases will increase, and then there will be fatalities that is possible. because we asked, we called the blood bank also. Platelets जाय पडटा. So this O negative or O positive, one of the blood group is also not easily available, which we have noticed. So all this seriousness we are not seeing from the government. We demand, as Youth Congress, we strongly demand that this case has to be taken seriously, and we will make sure that Youth Congress takes this initiative to ensure that no dengue, no malaria zone is created in Goa, and we will put the initiative if the government is not serious. We will put pressure and we will go on till this is not achieved.
State Vice President Goa Youth Congress. म्हाका सकाळचो फोन येयलो एंड लायक म्हाका आमचे नेबर म्हणपा लागले बाय आपूण हितून आहा गो डिस्ट्रिक्टान आहा बाय जमनीर बसोवपा लायताय आनी सोर घालताय म्हणपा लागले म्हण कितें ते तेंगे एक्चुअली सोदांचे तेंको बेड आसनाय बट हांव लिटरली आयज येयले वयर गेले वयर ती वचूं दिनाय वयर वचपा म्हणल्यार मेन पयलें सांगता भितर सोदना लिफ्ट तेंगे आउट ऑफ ऑर्डर थर्ड फ्लोरार चलत वचपाचें पेशंटानूय बीन चलत वचपाचें एकू लिफ्ट चलता ती वयरू वयता ती आनी सकयल येना अशी लिटरली 15 मिनट्स समथींग उबी रावली चोवपाकूच ओके तो अनादर क्वेश्चन कित्याक पेशंट्स आहाय थिंगा सुविधा बऱ्यो आसपा जाय कित्याक पेशंट्स आसताय ती नॉझजान आसताय विकनस आसता तांकां पयली सुविधा पयली आसूं जाय तुमी हेर कडेन तुमगे बंद कोराय काम आनी हिंगा पयलो प्रेफरन्स दियाय लिफ्टी जावं कितें जावं बारीक हिंग पयलें हॉस्पिटलांनी पयलीं तुमगे सुविधा पावपा जाय तो एक पॉयंट मागीर चलत आमी वयर गेलीं थर्ड फ्लोरार पावली फिमेल वॉर्डा थिंगा हांव भितर गेलें एक्चुली वचूं दिनासली पूण हांवें गेलें भितर चोवपाक गेलें एकली पाटी जाणटी माय व्हील चॅरार बसून आहा आनी ती पात वेळार आहा ती पाटी एशकोन एक ती सोरगेन आहा तुमको बेड नाही फॉर सिनियर सिटीजन्स ऑल्सो यू आर गिविंग सच टाइप ऑफ स्टेट्स या तेंगे एसो दशा जावन उडयला इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल व्हडले बांदून दवरला व्हडलो सगळे एसतेसो रूम आय बेड कितें सोदा तुमको पावनाय मागीर कोण एकलो स्ट्रेचरार येयला एक पेशंटाक ती म्हणपा लागली हांव वय ते आनी हूंय घालपाची तेंकोडे स्ट्रेचर पासून दवरपा प्लेस ना आतां हे इनिशियल स्टेज हे स्टार्टींग म्हणपा जाता आमच्यांनी केसीस वाडल्यो गव्हर्मेंटा तर म्हाका एकूय आयकूं येना डेंगू कितें उलयताय तें एकूय फॉगींग हूंय केलें तें दिश्टी पडना प्रिकॉशन्स कितके येयलो गव्हर्मेंटान CMाक हांव रिक्वेस्ट करूं सोदता बाबा हेर तुगे सगळें सोड पयलें हेल्थाचेर हिंगा हेल्थ हॉस्पिटलांनी तूं यो तुगे मॅन पावर तूं तुगे फ्रेंडांकूय घालता तुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनूच घालताय ते आहाय ते आमगेले मिनिस्टर्स हेल्थ मिनिस्टर्स बाबा जेन्युअन लोकांक घालाय जेन्युअन लोक जो हे लोकांक हेल्प करता तेसो लोकांक कामाक घालाय आनी इनिशिएटीव घेय प्लीज हूंय कितें फॉगींग करपा जाय थिंग फॉगींग कोराय मॅन पावर जाय थिंग मॅन पावर घालाय तुमगे मातशें पॉलिटिक्स आनी पॉलिटिसायजींग करपाचें सेपरेट दवराय यॉल आर इन रुलींग यॉल आर देर ओनली फॉर 5 to 6 months मोर हांव नका हेज्या मुखार म्हाका तुमगे गॅरंटी लागना पूण हे 6 months प्लीज कित कोताय बोर कोराय आनी बोर कोन वसाय थँक यू
Political party has commented on the hospital, but as I have shown you now, आम्ही आता जशें वॉर्डान गेले आनी तुमी पळयलें की we have the hospital to its fullest capacity. All 500 beds are made functional. And it is true that in rainy season we still need some more beds. It is true that number of cases of dengue are slightly on a rise, but there are multiple reasons for that. It doesn't mean that our health centers, we are not working. This time, even if you see, rainy season is such, पावस येता आणि मागीर 4 दीस पावस नासता. This is a typical situation for breeding of dengue mosquitoes. So all in all, yes, the number of cases have slightly risen. And if you have seen in the wards, आमची full capacity जावनी we have some more patients to accommodate. Given this situation, we have only 2 alternatives: refer the patients to GMC or tell them we don't have bed, you adjust for yourselves. But we are not doing both because in GMC also the similar load, I believe, of the patients is there. We cannot let the patients go home. So only alternative left with us is till the time they are investigated, they are treated, primarily at least, we admit the patient as and how it is possible. And therefore you see at least a few patients are on the trolleys, on the wheelchairs, what normally happens is by 2 o'clock, when the diagnosis is done, when the treatment is given, patients are seen by the consultants, we usually have discharges. And then those who are on the wheelchair and on the trolley, they are given the bed. You also have witnessed that patients on the bed are very comfortable. But patients, I agree, those who are on the wheelchair or on the trolley, they face little bit of discomfort. But all the treatment due for them is given. By 2 o'clock, one batch is discharged, and these people who are on the trolley or the wheelchair, they get the bed. But in the meantime, again being a monsoon season, respiratory illnesses, gastro illnesses and vector-borne diseases are on a rise, and South Goa is the only hospital in South which caters to all this population. So there are instances when people are on the wheelchair or on a trolley, but as early as possible we give them the bed. Our turnover has increased significantly. Our OPD these days is crossing 1,500 per day. Our admissions are also increasing significantly. And with whatever resources that we have, we are trying to give our best so that people are treated. The very fact that OPD is rising day by day, admissions are rising day by day, that means that people do have faith in this hospital. They are getting the best of the treatment. In all our limitations, in all our capacity, we are doing our best, and we expect the cooperation from political parties. We also expect cooperation from press and media to give the correct picture to the public.
डेंग्यूचे किती पेशंट वाढल्यात आता परत?
The number of cases are on a rise. There is no surge as such. म्हणजे काल 5 आशिल्ले आज 50 जाले अशें ना, पूण काल 5 आशिल्ले जाल्यार आज एक वेळ 7 आसतले किंवा 4 आसतले. And the important thing is they are not focused at one point. They are spread all over. If they are focused at one point, we are better equipped to deal with them. But since they are spread across, from time to time our primary health centers, our community health centers, they are taking their precautionary measures. This phenomenon is pan-India and all over Goa also, number of cases.
So the reasons behind this rise in the dengue cases you are saying is because of climatic condition, change in the climatic condition.
So also people do not understand their responsibility. Actually, as a medical superintendent, I am not supposed to comment on why the cases are on a rise. We are in a curative hospital. Whoever comes, we have to treat them. They are the primary health centers and CMO vector-borne disease. They study the pattern. They talk more about this, why it is increasing. But my past experience tells me that if people take care of the water that is getting collected nearby their houses, basically we have to understand that dengue is indoor biter. It is a multiple biter. So if they keep their surrounding clean, water free, and if they all follow what we call is once a week they have to clean the water resources. So if this is followed, probably dengue will be under control. It is a joint responsibility of the people and the health department. For me, the health department can only help the public to help themselves. We, by going there, we cannot clean everything. We only can guide them, teach them and help them. So please don't do it. Then it is the responsibility of the public. If they don't do anything and if they want all to be done by us, that will not be possible.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.